Chauncey Beats.
Got me out of my seats with the whisper. Hyper trumpets, come on louder. Before I was introduced to me in a swing dance. Hallelujah, dropped me, I dropped it and seen it before I broke both of us down, hurt. Let me live in 3 notes of it. No, I'll take them. Take what was given. Hurt me, know it. If you knew me this much, you should know better. It's hyper extended. We'll fucking leave it feel. Please, play, I left it. Everything I had out there, out my. Outside the box, outside, off limits. I'll be watching away from afar in. Sometimes inside, under your nose, in disguise. I'm in between those fucking poetries. Pops in the gaps. He pops at 180 clean, clear. And I shove it in. No sliding, I shove it out clean. In rhythm. Ooh, nothing better than when I catch it. Catch me. If you can. But you ain't seeking. You ain't hunting. Pray, look at it. Look. You never even go after it. Doesn't even matter if I say it to you. You're already destroyed. Trumpet won't wake you. Won't even fucking wait for you. Oh, when it sounds bell fucking alarm. Hold it, I squeezed it, love it, lost me. Live to die while my skull's scared. I know it happened to me, it couldn't bleed. Like I saw you and me, it's old age. Didn't really care anymore. Like, what are the rules even? And balance me out and let it fucking die slowly and cover my eyes. Tell me and forget it. Forgotten, don't even write my name on the stone. Let the dust settle. Let it blow in the wind. The kiss, trumpet as it sounds. I saluted it, but many times in my mind. Give us all in the basement a voice of fucking reason. To shake the life out of you. Mortal, baby, touch me. 3 feet in the environment that you can procreate love with when you ain't having it. Lack of aggression.